Don't press it. Oh!
Two
Came out! Did you just smash a window?
No.
I thought you smashed a window there. No. Oh, that hit! That hit the can! Oh! Oh
Can you
no!
load that for me? Load it.
Oh, load.
I can't load it if I'm holding this.
Oh.
The front.
You hit that. No, wait, can we put the tower back up? Dad found that drone. Is that our drone now? Oh yes, we got 2 drones. Yeah, that's a drone. That's a drone. People might be out looking for it though, because that's a good drone. What? Don't tell me he's gone.
Go and see if he's in the house.
You got him! You got him! We need to see Fatch. No, he's not in. Shit. Hi, boy. Got him, Dad! Patch, come on. Dad, I got him. That's like a drone, though. Well, I put that there.
It was off it.
I know. Wait. Yeah, okay, that does not fit. Why? That's a good drone. I think it still works. The thing is, we don't have the controller. Dad, no. We don't have the controller for it. Do you know what I mean? I've got none. I need to go loading. Oh! 5 points. And that came back and hit me. You out as well?
Aye. Patch.
Pause. Wait, so mine's fully loaded. Dad, yours loaded? Where's the packet with 2,000 in them? There is there. I can see a bullet, by the way.
I know. I'll get one. There's one behind there too.
There's one here. And there's someone here. No. No. Mine's just full. It does. Yours takes 8, mine takes 7. No! Yeah, it does. Because yours is bigger. Dun, dun, dun. I am the one. Is that ball shaking? Wiggle. Is it? Maybe mine's is 8 and yours is like 10. close. Right. Dad, you need to move your hand. Oh! Maybe mine isn't as powerful. Is that you?
Ah, you're the wind. Back. Come on.
Is it the wind, yeah? Wait! We should like set it up here and like so that sees. Wait, we can
What?
actually.
Look, watch. Like you can actually see it.
What?
The bullet. Look at the green bin, right? Do you see it?
Ah, yeah. Really abusing that bin
Patch.
now. Trick shot. This drone looks sick. It's like the one we saw in the shop, isn't it? Is that got any bullets in it?
Aye.
Don't! Look! There's the death on the drone.
Patch. Come on. Come on.
Think our controller would fix that?
No.
There might not be any batteries in it. Dad, I done a trick shot like this. Dad, I went like this and done a trick shot. And look where it ended up. I done a trick shot like this. Look where it ended up. No, look. So I done a trick shot. And then there. But that's funny. No, my dog. Patch, this isn't my gun. This is. No. I'm going back to playing Xbox. Can we take that in? But I have cobweb. That's not better than ours anyway. It's not better than ours anyway. Ours is boss.